Hi everyone. Today we'll guide you how to connect Samcart to ActiveCampaign. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check the link in the description for a free trial. If you're already a user, just log in and let's dive in. First, go to the app section and search for the Zapier app, which we'll use to connect ActiveCampaign with Samcart. Click on Set this app up, and if you don't have a Zapier account yet, create one now. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Zapier dashboard. Next, click on Create and select Zaps. If needed, you can use the Copilot for assistance. Choose both Samcart and ActiveCampaign from the list, then enter all the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your ActiveCampaign account, you'll need your API URL and API key. Go back to your ActiveCampaign account, navigate to Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary information. Paste these details into the required fields and then sign into your Samcart account. Configure your settings and click Continue. Once everything is set up, click Publish and you're done. And if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for tuning in to watch our video and for your ongoing support. It really means the world to us.